Okay, sorry about the break. So we let the miracle sauce soak for a bit. Get a towel. Oh, where's the towel? Here. Random towel. You gotta have those random towels. Trusty random towel. And, you know, just give it the old, you know. And what do you guys think about that coronavirus stuff? Do you guys think it's just a bunch of nonsense, or do you think it's, you know, serious matter that we should, you know, actually work on, what is this? That we should actually, you know, pay attention to, or what do you think? Because, you know, they have all these, people are comparing it to the flu, which, you know, it is a fair comparison because, you know, they're both very similar in the sense that, you know, they, you know, cause deaths and this and that, except the flu, of course, you know, being the flu, has killed more people, you know, whereas coronavirus, you know, it's, you know, KD ratio is pretty low. KD meaning kill death for those who don't play Call of Duty or any other video games. You know, I mean, no offense, you know, don't take offense if you don't. I personally don't play them. I stopped playing them when I started making money at 16 years old, so, you know, nothing against you guys who don't play video games. Man, these threads are weird, aren't they? It's been 2 minutes just twisting these threads on. That's pretty tight for the most part. That's, I don't know how it ever got that loose, you know? Somebody was being negligent, but, okay, so that's good for now. I don't think that should make a noise. Woo, the thing's gonna fall, the thing's gonna fall. Oh. But, yeah, crazy. People were just going insane because of this coronavirus outbreak and whatnot. You know, people were preventing themselves from any weird food shortages, which, ironically enough, we're actually we have a food shortage. You know, I went to the store yesterday. You know, it's something Walmart or something like that, or a mart for walls, something, I don't know. But I went looking for bagels. Why bagels? Because bagels are freaking awesome. That's why, and because bagels are life, yo. But I went looking for bagels and they were dry, you know, dry out of them. And I asked, you know, an employee, what's going on? Oh, just squirted some gasoline on my nice blue jeans. You guys like the jeans? You know what? I need to tighten this belt. There you go. I don't like sagging. We're in California, but that doesn't mean we need to, you know, sag and, you know, do all that cultural nonsense. You know, not that there's anything wrong with that. It's actually, you know, that's a cool style, if you will. But I just don't like it. So right now we're removing the carburetor. You son of a gun. What'd you think you were gonna do? Woo! Okay. And that's why you must grip these things nice and hard. Because if you don't, you're gonna look foolish on a live video. So here's our Makuni car, which is interesting because Honda has used Kian for the longest time. I don't know why they just decided to whoop out the Mikuni on this one, but you know, I mean, Mikuni's not bad. I've cleaned up a couple of them, you know, on Banshees and whatnot. Banshees and Banshees and Banshees. Yeah, for those that don't know, Banshees actually have 2 Mikuni carburetors, and it can be a pain in the butt to, you know, get them synchronized, but for the most part, it's really not bad. Well, that's a long one. That's what someone said somewhere. Okay, now to get this thing out, you need to, how do you get this thing out? Does it come out from the top over here? It may, it looks like it may actually. Does it? Maybe yes, maybe no. Because what's hitting right here? Okay, so if we get it down right here, okay, so get it head first. We could, oh, it's a little nervous, you know, it's first time being on TV. So, how do we get this out? That's a good question. I don't want to bend that cable too much. Come on now, Mikuni car. You see, this is what I don't like about Mikunis. They're high maintenance, you know. They're like